Crude oil prices, after hitting the lows at 62.5, we have seen a good reversal, and now we've seen it trading above 63.4, 63.5 zone, while natural gas has also shown a little bounce back right from the support levels at 2.9492. Few hours back I have mentioned very clearly these are going to act as a crucial support zone. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect from oil and gas with the US session? Are we looking forward for this reversal to continue? Can we say that the oil and gas have bottomed out here? Can we expect a rally from here, or there is going to be further bearish? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the early charts. Clearly, you can see after this drop, retracement, drop, and see it appears that it has formed a bottom here at 62.5 levels, and with that as support, see double bottom is done. It is trying to bounce back. Very, very important now for oil to trade beyond 64 and 64.5 zone. In fact, even if you now see oil trading above 63.6, see earlier I have mentioned you can buy here at 63, expect it to move towards 63.5, 63.6, and now once it breaches 63.6, stay bullish for 64. 64 is the first hurdle which oil has to break, and then 64.5. If these two levels are taken straight, we are going to see $66 zone very, very soon. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising. Now indicators are supportive for bullishness here. Look at the 2 hour charts. Yes, it appears it has seen the bottom. It is trying to bounce back, and yes, it has formed a good bottoming here. Let's wait for it to deliver a breakout. A move beyond 64 should confirm further bullishness. Now 64, 64.5 is what I'll wait for oil to break beyond. Very, very simple. I have been reiterating this again and again, and we are sticking to the same levels. And my weekly update also, I've mentioned the same. So now let's wait. You can buy here at 63.6 itself. Stochastic rising, MACD and RSI both are rising. Supportive sign for the bulls here. Look at 3 hour chart. Oil on the 3 hour chart. See, after bottoming here at 62.5, one stronger candle, the second one is forming here, and now if it stays above 20 period, if it stays above 63.6, stay with the bias for 64, 64.5, and if these two are taken, you can just stay bullish for 65.5, 66 as the next targets very, very soon, if not today. Notice it is still delivering lower highs, lower lows, and I'll wait for a breakout here in order to confirm further rise. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also rising, the RSI is rising, signs are supportive for further bullishness. Look at the 4 hour chart. See, on the 4 hour chart, this is important to note. The moving averages here are trading with divergence, staying bearish. And now see, one stronger bullish candle after forming the bottom at 62.5. One bullish candle has arrived, and the possibility of a second bullish candle has to be there. And thus, even if you see it is staying beyond 63.6, you can buy and expect 64. Till 64, you have to remain extremely cautious with the buying trades. Yes, the stochastic rising, the MACD appears to have bottomed here. It is trading with divergence, which is a good sign for a further rise here. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts also, after series of bearish candles, you can see a reversal sign has appeared, and today could be the first bullish candle, and from here the prices are going to head towards 66, 65.5 zone very, very soon, and hence today's closing is important. A closer above 64 should confirm the bullishness tomorrow as well, where the prices are going to head higher towards 65.5, 66, the first target zone, and beyond this more bullishness should prevail here. If you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over on the sell side, but also notice when the prices trades, or when the oil trades beyond 66, this could confirm a reversal. Yes, beyond 66, this will confirm the next bullish move here. Stochastic oversold trying to recover, the MACD trading bearish, the RSI is trying to bounce back. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. 34th batch starts 1st of September. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now first, the buying entry. Yes, 63.6 you can take. However, this is going to be a bit riskier till 64 is not taken. Beyond 64 is where we can see bullishness here. And then 64.5 is the stronger one, which it has to break. Beyond 64.5, stay bullish for 65.2, 66. And beyond 66, this time 68 has to be there soon. On the downside now, the selling entry. I'll recommend a selling entry now at 63, and below 63 you can expect it to move towards 62.5. 62.6 is the first target zone, and if that is also taken, then 62. Remember, any point of time now, oil trading below 62 should invite more bearishness. You can expect 61.1, 61.2 and 60 as the next target possibly. Appears difficult but not impossible. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. See, natural gas today has given a stronger gap down, and with that as gap down forming the base at 2.9492, which we have discussed is a stronger support precisely from the same zone. We have seen net gas bouncing back. Now it is pretty important for gas to trade above 3 and 3.0405 zone. If at all gas trades beyond 3 and 3.05, you can just stay bullish. Beyond 3 and 3.05, I'll be looking forward to 3.15 and 3.2. 3.2 is the greatest hurdle here on the upside. I'll show you that on the daily charts. Those who follow me regularly must have seen that. The moving averages here have crossed over. These are trading with bearishness. While the stochastic is rising, the MACD after hitting the bottom has crossed over. This is trading with moderate bullishness, and the RSI has also come out of the oversold zone. Look at the 2 hour charts here. Simply, it has formed a good base now at 2.95, and I think with the support at 2.95, prices are going to head higher. We can in fact see 3.0405 levels, and if it trades beyond 3.05, we can say that this could be the confirmation of reversal. Notice after this top here at 3.2, where we have seen multiple attempts by gas prices to break beyond, it has failed to do so, and then we have seen lower highs. See, it was trading in this bearish channel, a, a recovery seen, and now you can see after forming double top it is bounced back. So ideally now it is forming a double bottom as well, and hence we can see a sideways movement. Possibly net gas prices might again see 3.15 at least. Stochastic rising, the MACD is sharply bearish, trying to converge here. Wait for a crossover. RSI just coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, after forming a good support, it is, you can see after forming a good support, it is trying to break out, trying to bounce back. I'll just wait for it to stay beyond 3, and beyond 3 is where we can expect slight bullishness towards 3.025, 3.0405. If these levels are taken, it's stay bullish for 3.11, 3.15 zone very soon, if not today. Stochastic rising right from the oversold zone. The MACD is still trading with divergence and bearishness. Wait for this to converge crossover. The RSI is rising here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, you can find out a very good support is seen, and now prices are trying to recover. It may try to first attempt to fill the gap here and move all the way towards 3.0405. That is the first attempt, and if it trades beyond 3.0405, stay bullish for 3.1112 and 3.15 the next. And anyways, beyond 3.15, we will see a move towards 3.2. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading bearish. The RSI is rising from the bottom here. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, look what has happened. A gap down, a good support, a good base is created at 2.94, trying to recover. First attempt should be towards filling the gap here, that is 3.0405. Then the next attempt should be towards 3.1112, 3.15 and 3.2. Any move beyond 3.2 today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whenever you see natural gas above 3.2, you can just stay bullish for 3.4 and in fact 3.6 levels very soon. Right now it is not showing any such strength, and it has got greater hurdles here on the upside. We have to wait, we have to watch out. Also notice now on the downside it has filled the gap, on the upside there is a gap yet to be filled. Let's wait for this to take a direction. Right now it is pretty much bearish, though showing a retracement but not yet confirming a reversal. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is also sitting at the bottom here, and this is very important, because see, from here if it starts to diverge, we can see next forthcoming candles to be strongly bullish, and then we can see a good rise. The RSI flat here near to the bottom. So considering, now I'll recommend you to buy at $3 itself, and 3 you can, if you're buying at $3 zone, you can expect it to move towards 3.025 first target zone, 3.0506 the second, and beyond this 3.1112 should be the third, 3.15 the fourth, and 3.2 the fifth. Once it trades beyond 3.2 is where you can confirm the bullishness here. As long as 3.2 is not taken, you have to be careful with the buys here. This could be treated as a retracement, not a reversal, as long as 3.2 is not taken. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 2.96 zone, below which you can expect 2.9492 as a very strong support. If at all net gas trades below 2.9492, you can just stay short. Below 2.94, 2.92, stay short for 2.86, 2.8. Now 2.8, 2.78 is the next support below 2.86. If it trades below 2.8, 2.78, any point of time in this week, you can just stay short for 2.6 and then lower levels. I am still not sure for such a greater correction. There is a possibility of a recovery and reversal. You have to take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do what that is. Thank you.